Hey everyone, how you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely well. This is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, I am just going to talk about one very beautiful story about me, my childhood time, and it really help you to improve your English speaking practice. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, I just tell you one thing that our childhood memories is really beautiful. Everyone, when we are growing and we are thinking about our childhood, we felt so much happy that what are we doing, what silly things that we are doing every time, how stupid I am, and so many things that can give you so much happiness when we are thinking about our childhood. In today's video, I am just going to share my story, very beautiful story about my childhood, and that really help you to give you so much confidence to speak in English and also help you to practice English speaking and also help you how to use story with a right sentence. So without wasting so much time, let's dive into the video. I am talking about in my childhood. I don't know. We are very small in my childhood, in initial stage of eh, age, and we don't know what is hot and what is cold. We don't know much about what is the difference between if we are wounded or if we are not wounded. So many things that we don't know because in childhood time is very adorable, very sweet, very cute, and our parents are love to remember or capture those memories about our childhood. So in this video I am going to talk about my I always insist my mom that give me chilled water. I don't know what is hot and cold. What is the difference between chilled and not chilled? Normal water or chilled water. We don't know what is the difference between cold water and hot water, but we always say want our mom that and also insist our mom that please give me cold water, chilled water, because we saw so many boys and girls that they can they can take things from the fridge. So we always doing the same things when we because we love to copy others. So right, so in this I always insist my mom, but our parents is very clever. They know how to deal with their kids, so they have a good solution about that. But I don't know about that. So my mom can do one very clever thing that she always filled a bottle with a water, and she also saw showing us that she is going to kept that bottle in fridge, and she is always doing in front of us. So we are thinking that the water is in fridge, so it is going to cold, and we when we want that, she always show us that she kept that bottle on the fridge and give us to us, and we are very happy to consume, we are very happy to drink that. We are thinking that we are drink a cold water, but I just want to tell you this is just a prank, because my mom show us that she is giving us a cold water, but when she show us that she is kept that bottle in fridge, and when we going outside she can take that water from the fridge and keep that water bottle in the kitchen, and when we want us she just show us that she kept that water in the fridge and we take it. But that is not a cold water, this it is a normal water, but we are chill. So that is a story, and and this story tell my mom after when we are growing, and she is telling us that what she is doing with us, and when we are thinking about that we are very laugh, and we got so much smile and thinking how silly I am, how stupid I am, this is not a cold water, it's just a normal water, and we are thinking that it is a cold water. So I just want to tell you, and when we are thinking about our childhood memories, it feels that how silly I am. I am very stupid. I don't know what is the difference between hot and cold water, normal and chilled water, but we are doing the same thing many times, and my mom is doing the same thing many times with us, and we don't understand what she is trying to do. We always try to take that, give me cold water. So I think that you like this story, and the purpose of telling you stories in terms of English speaking, that is, if you can learn English speaking, you have to practice English speaking, and storytelling is also the best medium if you want to practice English speaking. So that's why I am always try to find stories for you, so you can learn what is the best way that you have to make a sentence while going to speak, or while you are talking with someone, how to use a sentence in your stories. That's why I am always trying, and you can learn so many words also that when I am using that. So I think that storytelling is the best method if you want to practice English speaking, and you can learn so many things from storytelling. So I just always recommend you that if you want to practice English speaking, try to make stories, go and stand in front of the mirror and telling your stories. I am not talking about you have to telling your childhood story. If you have watched any movie, any serial, just try to speak any scene, any movie scene, any serial scene that you like, just try to speak in English. So that is the only way you can practice English speaking, and that also help you to improve your English speaking with the help of storytelling, and that is the best matter if you want to practice English speaking. So I hope that you like my content. If you have any suggestion, give me comment, and I just want to tell you, if you have any query, if you want with me think some topic, just share your topic, your thoughts with me, so I can make a video about that. So that's all for in this video. If you like my content, don't hesitate to click the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel, so that is the only way you can receive my upcoming videos notification. That's all for in this video. I hope you like my content. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.